It is a sunset view from Fire Island, New York. And this is the community of, the first view should give it away, water. It's a view of Water Island. And this is Bay Walk. We're gonna take a quick ride through on a September 10th end of summer view. And these are all bayside homes. This community does also have an Atlantic Ocean view, which we will ride over to as well. See some folks waiting here. This is not a community that has regular ferry service. Definitely one of the more remote feeling communities to visit. And I have been here. I worked in a television production company as a post-production manager, and we had our office parties on Water Island, actually on Fire Island, in the community of Water Island. And I remembered it to be much more quaint. And I could see they're definitely building to much more modern standards. But at that time, the personality was to remain quaint. This is the last community to turn on their services. When I mean that, I mean electricity. They really had the quieter side of life here, which made sense. The folks who were hosting the office party, beautiful home in Manhattan, and they came to their Fire Island home where they didn't have to worry about fixing the chipping paint or anything else that may be less aesthetically perfect. It really was their relaxed beach house. And I must say, I enjoyed that original visit to Water Island very much. And I think for some reason, I don't know the full story behind the naming convention, but I think they chose the name Water Island so people wouldn't think to visit when they were on Fire Island. Like, what is Water Island? How do you get there? How did one get here? Actually, I rode the beach cruiser all the way from the Fire Island lighthouse. And that was about, it was definitely over 2 hours. It took me 1 hour to get to Flynn's, because that's mostly a bicycle path. And then from there, it's walking alongside of the beach. And I did notice today, there were whitecaps in threes. Meaning, so right now we're seeing a single whitecap, but then at times there's two whitecaps. It's when the waves are rolling over like that. And again, this is Water Island on Fire Island in New York. Next community in this direction is Davis Park. And if I were to head to my right, which I will be doing in my way back to the Fire Island Lighthouse. Look, end of summer, moon is out. That community would be the Fire Island Pines. And I'll leave this moment for you to enjoy a summer sunset from Water Island.